Hello, everyone. I'm Michelle Sutton, and welcome to this month's North Oaks News. You may have noticed something new around North Oaks: a fresh look, a renewed feel, and even stronger focus on how we show up for you. While some things may look different, what hasn't changed is what matters most: our commitment to this community. The evolution is about making sure every interaction reflects the care, the compassion, and connection you deserve. And during National Hospital Week, it's the perfect time to recognize the people who make it possible: our providers, nurses, staff, and volunteers. They show up every day with skill, dedication, and heart. At North Oaks, we're proud to continue evolving while staying true to our mission of improving lives every time, every touch.